Oh no! Look at Ayesha Apu. She's doing all the housework by herself. She looks so tired. Yes! Yes! I'm winning! This level is so fun!
Hafsa, look! Ayesha Apu is doing all the work alone.
That's not fair. Should we help? You know what? Prophet Muhammad never just sat and watched. He always helped at home. Girls and boys can help. Prophet Muhammad used to sew his own clothes when they got torn. He didn't ask others to do it for him.
Really? Wait, Prophet Muhammad sewed clothes? But that's... boys can do that too?
And he repaired his own shoes too. He cleaned the house, milked goats, and helped with everything at home. Let's follow Prophet Muhammad's Maji example. Let's all help at home. That's right. Teamwork.
Look, Ayesha Apu, I'm washing the dishes to help our family.
MashaAllah, you're doing great.
Uzma is sweeping the floor. Prophet Muhammad used to sweep and clean too. Hafsa is folding the laundry so carefully. The house is becoming clean and organized. What great teamwork! Look at that! When everyone works together, the house is clean in no time. Following Prophet Muhammad, thank you so much, everyone. You all made me so happy today. I'm so proud of you.
We love you, Ayesha Apu. I used to think housework was just for girls. But now I understand. Helping at home makes
When we help at home, we make our family stronger and happier.
From now on, we'll all help at home.
Want to learn more about Prophet Muhammad's Salatu Wassalam beautiful way of life? Subscribe now for more stories. Next episode, learn how Prophet Muhammad Huwad was honest in everything. The honest shopkeeper story.
Ring the bell so you never miss a Prophet Muhammad Harsainchi story.
Remember, boys and girls, everyone helps at home. That's the Sunnah. Assalamu alaikum.